It's been 8 years since Abby Williams and Libby German were killed on a hike in Delphi during a day off from school. Their bodies were found near the Monon High Bridge 8 years ago today on Valentine's Day. Their murders made national headlines, and until last November, their families waited years for justice.
Now, that's when a jury found Richard Allen guilty of their murders. He was sentenced to 130 years in state prison.
And new this afternoon, attorneys for Richard Allen claim prosecutors are trying to mislead the court.
And they're arguing that the Carroll County prosecutor should be held in contempt. That's on a new filing today, the latest attempt to correct what the defense calls errors in the trial. There are several issues brought up in that new filing. Allen's defense argued that a man named Ron Logan confessed to killing Abby and Libby and put forward testimony from a man who claimed that Logan confessed to him. The state says that man failed a polygraph test. The defense says that polygraph test was not part of the trial record and should not be allowed as a rebuttal in this case.
Prosecutors also shared video of a white van belonging to a man named Brad Weber driving near the crime scene. At trial, Weber testified that he drove his van by the scene at 2:30. That's around the same time Abby and Libby were killed, which prosecutors say scared Allen away. However, surveillance video shared by the defense after the trial shows him driving almost 15 minutes later than he testified. In today's filing, the defense says McClelland either knew or should have known that the timeline was different. They also accuse him of either allowing false information at trial or of never correcting the record.
And there are more details in this filing. In a footnote of this new filing, the defense floats the idea that McClelland should be held in contempt of court for filing photos of Libby's cell phone into the public record. You'll remember that Allen's defense team were reprimanded after someone connected to their office leaked crime scene photos before that trial. The filing also accuses Prosecutor McClelland of misleading the court and misstating the law. The defense wants the court to strike McClelland's response from the record.
And we're working to get reaction from McClelland's office, but of course, we'll let you know what happens next.